Your body is programmed with a God mode that reverses aging, but the food industry has spent a century making you terrified to activate it. The key isn't what you eat, it's when you don't. We've all seen the picture. Go without food and your body enters a panicked self-cannibalism, devouring muscle to survive. The true antagonist is the metabolic boogeyman they created. The lie that your body is a fragile machine designed to self-destruct without constant fuel. But it's a misreading of an ancient survival code written into our DNA, a code that doesn't trigger destruction, but deep repair. If you're ready to challenge this, subscribe and hit the bell, because what comes next will change how you view hunger forever. This fear wasn't born from science, it was manufactured. For a century, we've been marinated in marketing from a food industry built on a profitable premise. Eat more often. The doctrine of 3 square meals plus snacks was sold as peak health. This was reinforced by a critical error. Scientists studied the tragic effects of involuntary starvation and wrongly equated that trauma with controlled, voluntary fasting. The result was a deep-seated cultural phobia, a belief that any period without food leads to metabolic ruin. This lie created a voice in your head that panics when you feel hungry, forcing a snack you don't need. It's a programmed fear that keeps you from unlocking your body's most powerful healing state. We were taught to fear our body's own intelligence. So what really happens as the 24-hour mark approaches? It's not a cliff, but a calculated transition. For the first 12 to 18 hours, your body burns through its remaining sugar reserves, the glycogen in your liver and muscles. It's a backup generator on its last tank. The old story says this is when your body panics, tearing down walls for firewood. The reality is far more elegant. As the last glycogen vanishes, a master metabolic switch is flipped. There is no alarm, no chaos. It's a quiet pivot from a sugar-burning to a fat-burning engine. This pivot unleashes a new energy. Ketones. Produced in the liver from body fat, ketones are more than just fuel. They are potent signaling molecules. They travel through your blood carrying a message to every cell. The environment has changed. This message profoundly affects a genetic pathway called mTOR. mTOR is the master growth switch. Constant eating keeps mTOR perpetually on, telling cells to grow and divide. As insulin plummets and ketones rise, mTOR receives an undeniable signal to power down. At 24 hours, your body doesn't panic. It makes a cold, calculated decision. It silences the growth signal, not to surrender, but to launch a search and destroy mission against the zombie cells hiding in your body. And this is where the lie shatters. Silencing mTOR isn't a prelude to destruction. It is the final step before a deep cellular cleanse. With glycogen gone, ketones flowing, and the growth signal offline, the stage is set. The system has shifted from constant building to intelligent renovation. We were taught this is the breaking point, the moment of desperation. But our ancient biology recognizes this as the exact trigger needed to initiate a profound renewal process that has lain dormant. The question was never if your body consumes itself, but what it consumes first. The switch for autophagy is about to be flipped, and the answer changes everything. The switch has been flipped. After 24 hours of preparation, the real performance begins. This isn't the chaotic self-destruction we've been taught to fear. This is autophagy, and it's less a demolition crew and more a team of microscopic intelligent surgeons. Specialized membranes hunt for cellular zombies, misfolded proteins, damaged mitochondria, and the junk that drives aging. They don't cannibalize tissue, they meticulously identify, engulf, and disassemble waste. This is the ultimate biological recycling program. A deeply encoded process of quality control that breaks down the old to provide raw materials for the new, cleaning house from the inside out. But what about the primary fear, that your body will devour its own muscle? This is where the system's genius is revealed. To protect this vital tissue, the body unleashes a powerful countermeasure. Around the 24-hour mark, your pituitary gland dramatically increases its output of human growth hormone. Some studies show HGH levels can surge by 2,000%. This isn't just to protect muscle, it's a biohack to simultaneously melt fat for high-octane fuel while preserving your engine. You're not just surviving, you're upgrading. The ultimate plot twist isn't just that your body cleans itself, it's what it builds with the trash. Recycled zombie cells become the raw materials for new, pristine stem cells. You're not just cleaning the house, you're rebuilding it from the inside out. This internal cleanup has profound systemic effects, especially on the silent fire of chronic inflammation. By the 48-hour mark, key inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein plummet. The constant inflammatory signals driven by modern lifestyles are finally silenced, giving your body a precious opportunity to cool down and reset the very processes that contribute to chronic disease. This biological reset is so powerful, it deserves to be widely understood. If you're finding this fascinating, take a moment to hit that like button and comment below with what has surprised you the most. It helps spread this crucial information to more people. Beyond just cleaning and cooling, this state unlocks a deeper layer of programming. Your longevity genes, tucked away in your DNA, are powerful pathways, like the sirtuins, often called guardian genes. In a state of constant feeding, these genes remain largely dormant. But fasting is the key that awakens them. Once activated, sirtuins perform high-level maintenance, enhancing DNA repair, bolstering cellular resistance to stress, and improving metabolic health. This isn't just tidying up. It's a fundamental software upgrade. You are actively instructing your cells to function with the resilience of their younger counterparts, turning on the genetic circuits for a longer, healthier life. So, the truth is revealed. The 48-hour fast is not a descent into starvation, but a masterfully orchestrated biological upgrade. You are not depriving your body, you are feeding its innate potential for profound self-healing. The solution isn't a 48-hour fast tomorrow. It's reclaiming control with one simple rule, the 16-8 protocol. For 1 week, simply eat within an 8-hour window. This single change will begin to flip the metabolic switch, giving you a taste of this power without any risk. This is your first step. If you're committing to trying the 16-8 protocol for 1 week, comment Day 1 below to join the reset. I'll be reading every comment. Subscribe because I post content about AF every day and you don't want to miss it, right? Thanks for watching until the end. See you later.